Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix USB tethering not working. So if you're trying to connect your mobile through wire but it is not working out, or if you're just simply inserting the USB and it is not working, then I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So first you have to go to the desktop, and then in the search bar you have to search for troubleshoot, and you will see this option troubleshoot settings. Click onto it, then click on other troubleshoots. As you click onto it, you will find all the available troubleshoots. From there, you can run your Wi-Fi's troubleshoot at first, and once you have done it, then you have to go with this option which is for the compatibility. Simply open it up and run it, and if it finds any issue there, it will show you and will also fix it. So you can read it out. If you want to go for further things, you can click on yes, and it will run some more stuff to make things happen the right way. And once you have done it, then you have to go and open this option which is the device manager, and from there you have to find the option related to USB tethering or anything related to USB. You have to expand it, do a right click, click on update drivers, and after that it will update drivers. Once you have done all that, at the end you have to simply do a quick restart of your PC. Once you do so, you will see the issues will be resolved. So that's how you will be able to fix the USB tethering not connecting issue. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.